Up here is kind of like this loft, third floor. So again, another full bathroom, lots of sinks, washer, dryer, shower. This one just doesn't have a door, but it is the loft upstairs on the third floor. Another bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. And here is kind of like the loft area. So the TV that we saw downstairs is going to be installed up here. This is a pull-out couch, so this is going to be able to sleep another 2 people. So we're really going to be able to sleep 8 to 9 people in this house. 9 would be 1 person on the couch. Boom. So balcony, kind of got like a nice tanning area. And it's pretty much all residential, except, you know, right here is a company. River's right down this way, so, I mean, I wouldn't say you can technically see it from here, but still somewhat of a view. Lights come on over here. And there's a stairway down here, and this actually leads us right back to the second floor, which